How to use an iPad as a Nintendo Switch screen.
Step 1. First up, you need to purchase an HDMI to USB-C capture card. It's a relatively cheap device, so it won't put much of a dent in your bank balance. Step 2. Place your Nintendo Switch in its dock. It doesn't matter whether it's the official one or a third-party model. Then plug its HDMI cable into the HDMI port of the USB-C capture card. Step 3. The next step is to plug the USB-C end of the capture card into the iPad's USB-C port. From a hardware perspective, you're almost ready to go. Step 4. To get your Switch games to display on your iPad's screen, you need to download the latest iPad public beta update. Step 5. Next, download the TestFlight app from the App Store. This online service lets you install apps that are currently in beta. You'll need this software to install and launch the video capture software in the next step that will allow a video signal from your Switch to appear on your iPad's screen. Step 6. Launch your web browser and click this link to sign up for the Capture Pro UVC Viewer Beta via the capture card you just bought. This video software will allow your Switch's signal to appear on your iPad's screen. Step 7. Open the TestFlight app. Launch Capture Pro UVC Viewer, then turn on your Nintendo Switch. The signal from the console should instantly appear on your iPad's screen. Not only can you now play your favorite Switch games on your Apple tablet, you can also record the action as you play by clicking the Capture Video button at the bottom of the screen.